Hey guys, welcome back to a new video and to my what I got for Christmas 2021. These are my favorite videos to watch by far. I am obsessed with those just because I get ideas on what I want to wish for my birthday and also for next Christmas and also what to give away for other people. So therefore I am happy to bring you back my annual what I got for Christmas video. And to be honest, this year was crazy. Like, I have this bag filled with presents, so it's probably gonna be a long video, so be sure to grab a snack, grab something to drink, and without further ado, if you want to see what I got for Christmas, then please keep watching. Let's go ahead and start with the first items that I got, and that is these Nutcrackers right here. If you have seen my decor video, you guys know that I love Nutcrackers. I have them all around my house for Christmas. These were on the top of my list for Christmas decor to get this year, and I'm so excited that I got them just because I can't wait for Christmas next year. I'm already excited. I just love the whole vibe of this. I also love that I got one silver and one gold, so I can decorate the gold in a gold section and this one in the other section of the house, and I feel like it is so cute. You can also have something displayed on here. Really excited for these ones, so thank you. Some of these gifts are also for me and my husband, so I decided to share those as well. So the first thing we got were actually these towels right here. These are beige, so beautiful, so soft. I can't wait to use these. And these towels are designed by Halvor Bakke, which is a Norwegian interior designer. So you will definitely see these in my bathroom as of now. Then we also got a bed set. So these are the Mont Blanc bed set in yarn dyed flannel. And these are also 100% cotton. They feel so soft. I can't wait to wash these and put them on our bed. I love to use flannel, especially for winter season, just because I'm a very cold person. And these will keep me so warm, so I'm very excited to put these on our bed. Let's go ahead and open the first Gucci present. So I have already taken off the bow just because I opened them on Christmas Eve. But this was on the top of my wish list. I was beyond excited when I actually got this under the tree. Just look at it. It is so beautiful. So this bag has been on my wish list since it came out. I think it was in spring or summer, if I'm not totally incorrect. I really love that it has silver hardware because the majority of my Gucci bag has gold. So I was excited for this one, and of course it's pink, it's fabulous. It actually is a lot bigger than it looks online as well, since this is a small shoulder bag. And it actually can fit a lot. So I can have my wallet, my phone, and also my camera in here. And that was something that I really wanted because I feel like this small Marmont bag that I already have doesn't fit my camera that well, especially if I'm out and about and I'm running errands and I'm vlogging and all of that. I really wanted to have a bag that wasn't black, wasn't beige, wasn't white, that could fit my camera perfectly, and I could also fit other stuff. So this is a shoulder bag. It comes with a strap that is a beautiful dark navy blue. It also has the silver details right here, and I'm just beyond excited to go shopping with my new pink Gucci bag. So next up I got this beautiful cashmere wool sweater, and this is from a brand called We Norwegians. If you watched our wedding anniversary vlog, you saw that I actually picked this up in red, and I love that so much that I wanted another one for Christmas, and my parents were so kind to gift this to me. So it says 1977 World Cup on it, and this sweater, you guys, are so soft. It doesn't itch, it doesn't do anything that I hate about wool sweaters, and that is what makes it so perfect. It of course has a turtleneck as well. You guys know I love my turtlenecks, and I'm very excited. I now have a white one as well as the red one, so I can actually wear this with different outfits. It also has this navy blue stripes on the side, and this is just like the perfect wool sweater. Then next up, my parents went totally crazy and they actually got me this robe from Lexington. So Lexington is one of my favorite brands when it comes to kitchen towels, bathrobes, clothing, and all of that. I think they have so many cute items and especially good quality. So I'm very excited that I now have this robe. This is the Leslie fleece robe, and the other one that I shared in my gift guide is a towel robe. So this is a lot softer and I can't wait to actually wear this. I didn't expect this at all. It has the Lexington logo right here on the chest as all the bathrobes. and I just can't wait to rock this. I'm always cold, so this is a perfect addition to my collection because I can just throw this on and wear it around the house. I even love to wear bathrobes over my PJs if I'm very cold and it's snowing outside. I find that wearing a bathrobe all around the house is just so cozy. So thank you, Mom and Dad, you are the best parents, and I can't wait to cozy up in this one. So next up, I also received this beautiful soft beige blanket, and this is a wool blanket. It is so warm and I can't wait to cozy up in this one, enjoying a cup of tea, watching my favorite series. I am just obsessed with stuff like this. I think when you turn a certain age, you just get so excited for Christmas when you receive towels, bed sets, blankets, decor pieces, and all of that. And I'm so excited to throw out the old blanket and add this to the sofa as well. Next up, I got this beautiful, beautiful sweater from Gaunt. Gaunt is one of my favorite brands if you haven't been around for a long time. And this is such a cute sweater. Like, it really gives me school vibes, Gossip Girl vibes. So this sweater is called the Argyle C-neck, and it is in the shade Evening Blue. And I will, by the way, link every item I can find online down in the description box. So if you see something you want to grab, just be sure to check out the description box. Everything will be down below. But I feel like this is such a cute sweater. You can even wear a beautiful shirt underneath and have your color poke out. I really love that look as well. You can wear this with jeans, with skirts, with anything. And I feel like this is so me, and I was so excited when I saw this sweater. So I will definitely rock this for the rest of the winter months. I love that it is so soft. It is wool, so it would keep me warm. Then I also got another sweater. This is from Lexington, and this is called the Kibby sweatshirt. And I think you also can get pants to this, so I will definitely go ahead and see if I can find that online. But I really love that it is off-white. It has that cream color. So this has a round neck right here with this beautiful beige stripe, and also on the arms right here. So I feel like this sweater is so me. I love to style this up with a pair of faux leather jeans. I think that will look beautiful. You can also wear a shirt underneath here, and it will look perfect. And this next thing, you guys, I was like, oh my god, my sister actually managed to get her hands on this one. So this is a beautiful button jacket from Cross, which is one of my favorite brands lately. If you've seen the beautiful satin purple blazer I wore in a couple of videos back, that was also from this brand, and I have been obsessed with it. I love the buttons. They have the same style as the blazer. It has these sparkly buttons all the way down, and I feel like this is just so me. Really enjoy the color of this. It is like a champagne beige color that is so me. Here you can see the jacket on. I really enjoy it, and especially the detailing when it comes to the buttons. I also love that it is quilted. I think it would be my favorite jacket for spring. You can wear it off shoulders, just throw it around you, and it will totally spice up the outfit because of the detailing in the buttons. It also has two pockets right here, and I am just obsessed with this jacket, so thank you, sis. So next up, I also got this cute PG set, and this is from Disney, and it has Mickey Mouse all over it, and I also love these shorts. I think these are so cute, and the fabric is so soft, you guys. I wish you could really feel how soft it is, and it reminds me a lot of the Hollister sets. It has the same like super soft texture, very loose, very beautiful. So I can't wait to rock this around the house. I love to have sets like this, and you probably know it if you've seen my closet. I have a bunch of like cozy sets that I wear all day, all year, and I even sleep in these. So this was a great gift to get as well. Then I also have two more gifts from Gucci, so let's go ahead and open them up. And this is something that were on my top list of things I really wanted to get this year. And this is actually a hat, and you guys know I love my hat. Like, this hat is so beautiful. Oh. And this is the Jumbo GG baseball hat, and I am obsessed with this. I think it is so cute. So except from all the tags, just look at how cool this hat is. I really love that it is a little bit different. It is not like the original GG hat, which I first wanted in beige, but then this came out a couple of months ago, and I was like, I need this immediately. Like, give it to me. I love hats. as you guys know, and I think this is so special, and I think it is something that not everybody has. But I am just so happy that I got this. I can't wait to wear this all year. I feel like this is a color that fits pretty much any outfit as well. So excited. Like, I can't believe it's mine, and I can't wait to rock this. So thank you, hubby, for gifting me that hat as well. And now let's go ahead and open the last Gucci item. So this I actually managed to wrap very nicely back. This is actually a beautiful scarf that fits so well with the handbag, and I just love this scarf so much. So if you remember last Christmas, I got this thick wool scarf from Gucci that has been my ride or die throughout this winter. I wore it pretty much every single day. This is a little bit thinner in material, but it is wool as well, and I feel like this scarf is a little bit more dressed up, so it will look very good to a dress if you're going out, if you're doing something special. I feel like this is a great scarf to have. You can wear it just this way if you want this beautiful pink color, or on the other side it has this beautiful burgundy red wine color that I'm very into at the moment. So I am very excited about this scarf, and these are so soft and so comfortable. I really recommend, if you want to invest in a designer scarf, I really recommend Gucci's scarf just because they're so soft, they doesn't itch, and they're just perfect. They keep you warm all day. So the next item that actually my sister picked up for me is a pair of new Uggs, and I'm so excited for these. So let's go ahead and open them up. So here you can see my new Uggs, and I really wanted a pair of new ones. The ones that I have worn and torn for so many years. It is barely anything in them. They get wet like this. So when I saw these came out, I instantly love them, just because I feel like this is so me as well. It has a lot of black on it. You can see through. So I have had Uggs for about 10 years. I love them. It is a staple for me every single winter, just because it gets very snowy, it gets very cold. These was very fascinating for me because they are waterproof, and I really needed a pair of waterproof Uggs. The minute I go out the door and I step in a little bit of snow, the ones that I have gets wet. So I was very excited. My sister is the best sister in the world for gifting these to me. These were also on the top of my wish list. I didn't expect to get them at all. I was so excited and beyond shook when I opened them, just because they are so adorable. These have my name all over them, and I'm just so excited to have a pair of Uggs that would keep me warm all winter, and it will not make my feet wet. Then I also have a few more pieces. I will not show you everything because this video is already way too long, so I decided to show you the most exciting parts. So I got this Dior Gift Set, which is the Dior Show Iconic Overcurl, and this comes with the Overcurl mascara, which is one of my favorite mascaras from Dior. I really love the one on here, and you also get a little Dior Show Maximizer 3D. This I actually haven't tried in so many years, so I'm excited to try it again. So I got this cute set, so I would definitely do a tutorial with that. Then I also got a hair mask from my sister, and this is the Fiber Quality Renewal Mask for very damaged, over processed thick hair. And you guys know my hair is pretty processed by now, so I really enjoy getting masks for Christmas. I feel like that is also a great way to try out new masks and new brands that you necessarily wouldn't get for yourself. I'm excited to try this out, and I'm very happy with this brand. I've tried a bunch of stuff from them, and I'm very pleased. And last but not least, we only have 3 more products that I will show you in this video, and these are from Lush, and I really love Lush. I have used some products on and off for many years, and the first thing that I got was the Plum Buff Shower Soap, which I'm very excited to try out. I also got the Orange Shower Scrub, which I love. I love a good scrub, so I can't wait to try this out in the shower. And then I also got the Lime Bounty Body Butter. And that was everything for the what I got for Christmas. We also got some home decor and a bunch of other stuff. But I will end this video here because it is already way too long. So if you're new and you haven't subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and put on your post notifications. I also have a giveaway up right now that will be live until January 1st. So I will leave a link to it up here and also down in the down bar, so you can check that out if you want to win a cute holiday giveaway with a bunch of brushes, makeup, and a lot of cute stuff. And before you leave, be sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you got for Christmas. What was the thing that you were the most excited for? I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope you had a wonderful holiday celebration with your loved ones. Wherever you are in the world, I wish you a happy new year. I'm excited to leave this year behind and start fresh for 2022. I really hope 2022 will be the best year for every single one of you guys who is watching. I love you, and I'm sending you tons of positivity, tons of hugs, kisses, and everything. You guys are the best, and thank you for this year. I'm so excited that our family has grown a little bit, and I'm excited to get to know every single one of you guys that is new. And without further ado, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.